Welcome to City Grilling. My name is Rob Ward. This episode, it's halibut. I'm gonna do a pan-seared halibut with a garlic lemon butter sauce. So this is gonna taste really good. So one of the first steps I need to do is dry the halibut. I've already actually taken the skin off it. I don't really care for the skin. Some people do, and that's fine. Do it either way you wanna do it. So I'll dry that off pretty good, just like so. And I'm gonna put it on this plate, just like that. And then I have some seasoning, right? Some sea salt, paprika. The phone's ringing, must be a sales call. Little pepper, onion powder. So I'm just gonna season up the fish just like so. And I wanna get all sides. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do it like this. Spread that around, flip them over to get them ready for the grill. Take the rest of my seasoning here, just spread it all over that fish just like so. We'll go out in the grill in just a minute and pan sear these up. Okay, we're out at the grill. I have my halibut ready to go. In the grill, I have my iron skillet with some olive oil, about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm not gonna use the sear burner because it just gets way too hot. I'm gonna control it a little bit better inside my grill. So I'm gonna take the halibut and just place it in the iron skillet. Let it cook in there. I'm not trying to blacken it. I'm just trying to get it kind of brown. So I'll let this cook maybe 3 to 4 minutes max, and then I'm gonna turn it over. All right, it's been about 3 minutes. Checking the fish. It looks pretty good overall. It gets a little opaque on the sides, the bottom. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip this over. You gotta be real careful here. Wow, that's what I'm looking for. I'm not burning this. It's just kind of that golden brown. That's what I want. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip this over. Be careful about it. Watch that oil. You don't want to splash it too much on you. All right. So I'll go ahead and cook that another maybe 3.5 minutes this time. All right, it's been another 3.5 minutes. Look at this halibut. It looks delicious. I can tell that it's ready. Look how it's starting to fillet apart. So this is ready. This is exactly what I'm looking for. So I still need to make the sauce, right? So I have some aluminum foil here. I'm gonna try to get this, it's a little windy out here. And I'm just gonna take my fish and place it in the aluminum foil just to keep it warm and off that direct heat, right? So I might leave it here, or I can take it inside and wrap that up real nice, just like so. Take it inside and put it in the oven, or just keep it on low heat, right? Just to keep it warm, right? Like bunch that up. That's gonna stay plenty warm by itself, right? Just take that aside. So now we need to make our sauce, right? So I'll take my butter and put this in the pan, and a whole stick of butter. Let that melt in the pan. And then I'm also gonna put some fresh garlic. I love garlic. I don't know how many cloves I put in here, but I've minced it up myself. That's what's really gonna make this taste good, right? So I wanna get this to kind of simmer up and start to smell that garlic flavor. So I'll go ahead and shut the grill here. Maybe turn it up just a little bit, not much. And let that melt here first. Get the skillet out of the way, just like that. All right, it's been just a few minutes here. Look at this. The butter's melted, the garlic, I can start to smell that fragrance of the garlic in there. That's perfect. That's what I'm looking for. It's browning up a little bit. So I have this like lemon squeezer thing here. I don't know what they're called, but squeeze the lemons, keeps the seeds out. So that's perfect. I'll add this little bit of lemon juice. I'm just using a half a lemon. I don't like it too lemony. I'll go ahead and put that in there like that. And if you want a little extra garlic, you can always put a little garlic powder in there too. It smells good. And let's mix this up. And I'm gonna bring the temperature up just a little bit more. And I want it to reduce down. It's still gonna be very liquidy, right? It's gonna be very fluid, but I'm gonna try to help reduce it down just a little bit. Okay, we're inside. I brought in my garlic butter lemon sauce. That's ready to go. I have my fish that's in here. I'm just gonna get a small piece of fish out at the moment here, at least try to. Just like so. Ooh, it's all breaking apart. That's nice. Oh, That's gonna be delicious. I'm gonna take some of my sauce, especially with that garlic on there. Oh, just like that. That's perfect. Then I can actually just give it a try. I'm just gonna break some off. Oh. Wow, the halibut's tender, it's soft. It melts in your mouth. That butter, of course, that's delicious as always, and the garlic. Perfect flavors. Get the recipe at citygrilling.com and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is an excellent halibut meal.